Today I'm going to teach you how to trade rise and falls. This could be a very nice way of making money inside Deriv. If you don't know how to get to this point, on the link that I keep on giving you to log in, you can go there, you click there, you register, and then after you register you go back and log in, and then after logging in it will take you to this page immediately. And then if it doesn't, you come here, you select D trader instead of DMT5. Then on D trader like that, you will get something like this. These are called rise and falls. You have many options, multipliers, high and lower, and then no touch, and then also rise and falls. Basical or no touch, all it means is that if you select touch, you win the payout if the market touches the barrier at any time during the contract period. Just think about it. Basically, this means that if the market is moving and then it goes and touches that barrier, you make money. And then if you choose no touch, you win if the market doesn't touch that barrier. This is way better than gambling, guys. The odds are on your side here. You're just here to make a lot of money. And then let's say, for example, you make ticks. When you are doing ticks, this is what happens. You see this thing, when it moves like it's one tick. When it moves like it's one tick. So when it moves in like this, it's one tick, one tick, one tick, one tick, and so on. So you can choose ticks and then you can choose time. And then the difference is that in time it's in minutes. You can choose different time slots, and then you can use different strategies. So this is what you can do when you come here and then you find a line like this. Basically, if you make your analysis and then you check, okay, this have been going up and up and up and up, and you are predicting that in the next 3 minutes it will be even more up than here, then the simple thing that you do, you come here and say rise. And then if you say rise, and after that 3 minutes which you chose here, after that 3 minutes, it means you're gonna get 95% profit from the money that you chose to trade with. If you choose $100 here, your payout will be $95 plus your $100. Then if you say you choose in fall, it means the market is gonna go down, and then if it goes down further than where you said it will go down up to, you get a payout. Let's say now the market was here, and then we choose to say, okay, we're choosing a fall, and within these 3 minutes the market goes down, then we get 95% profit of the money. This is how you trade rise and falls, guys. This is a nice way of making money. And then if you don't prefer line graph, you can come here and then you change the chart type, and then you can choose candles, and then 1 minute, of which one candle here will represent 1 minute. If you're saying in the next 3 minutes this market will be down here, and then you say fall, and then which means now you were waiting for 3 candles to go down. And then if you're saying this market will go up, it means you will wait for 3 candles after you said rise. And then if it happens your way, then it's a win-win, guys. And then here are advantages of doing this. You can come here and use indicators like Bollinger Bands, of which myself I prefer this one. With Bollinger Bands, you wait for the market to cross here in the middle all the time. When it crosses here in the middle, it's either you can use 2 minutes here or 5 minutes. And then what you will be doing when it crosses above, you choose that, okay, it's going to rise. And then when it crosses below, you can choose it's going to be a fall. This is an easy way to trade, guys. This is an easy way to make money. You can choose different charts here however you want, which one you ever want, and then you study it, you check it out, which one is more clean. For example, if you check here, it crossed and went all the way, it crossed and went all the way. So that were gonna be the times which are win-win situations for you guys. It's Icon MT speaking. I think this is gonna be a best way for you to start making money today. This doesn't require you to be busy understanding some very complex things. You just come here, you change this to candle pattern, and then you change here to 1 minute. If it's still on tick, it won't allow you to change to candles, then you'll change to 1 minute here, and then after that you click close, and then you come here to indicators, you just say indicators, and then here you search for Bollinger Bands, and then you click that, you leave them at default, and then all you do, guys, is check when the market crosses here, you enter. It's either here you put 2 minutes or 5 minutes at tops, then you make money. You can change these times frames and then try to find better ways or whichever that are good, guys. These are rise and falls. You only trade them at Deriv, guys. You only trade them here. I provide the link below to join and be able to make the most out of this, guys. This is like manna from heaven. This is how you make more money fast. Instead of playing lotto, you can do this. And then another thing, if you wanted to draw things like lines, you can come here and choose the lines that you wanted to draw. Let's say, for example, you want to say, okay, you want to draw a trend from there to somewhere here. You can do that, guys. You can do that. These materials are here to help you. And then after, it means after you have made your money, all you come and do, you come here to cashier, and then after you come to cashier, you go to withdrawals, then you withdraw your money, guys. So enjoy. This is Peace, and this is Icon speaking. Don't forget to join. The link is below. Don't forget to join. The link is below, and fund your account and start making money today. You don't need to be a pro to do this. You just have to check where the market is going, how it's moving, and then you get to understand where to enter, guys. Where to enter. For example, when the market is above the middle line, mostly it's going up. When it crosses to below line, mostly it's going down. So if you change the time to around 15 or even more, it simply means you could be making money, guys. You could be making money all the way to down here, just selling, saying fall until it changes direction. Maybe you lose one trade and then you win all the way when it's going up, like rise until you lose the last trade. And then if you win 5 trades and you just lose one, you're still in profit, guys. So this is Icon MT speaking. Stay safe and make more money. Register below to get started and fund your account and make more money.